Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me this, and it's just not going to trace, it's not going to work. But with the exception of the eagle, this would be a very easy thing to redraw. So I'm going to probably take several videos, 2 or 3, to create this and show the person how to create it. The first step we're going to do is get the shape of the badge. We got some bad parts right here, but if we use the Smart Fill tool and fill that in and then nudge that out of the way, you can left click, right click, and there's your shape of your. Now at this time, we're going to take this and break the curve apart to get rid of that rectangle. Then we can get rid of that rectangle. We just got the shape of the back. At this time, I'm going to take a rectangle and I'm going to put it right there, and I am going to group this together. Control G. And you'll find out later why, so we'll be able to grab that more easily. Now we're going to nudge this right back to where it was. I'm going to hit P. It's in the center of the page. I'm going to take, there's 2 sides of this, and this side looks a little bit better with the exception of this part right here. That's not a problem. So we're going to take a 2-point line, holding down the control button, and then hit P. We're a little bit off center at the bottom, but that doesn't really matter. We can always fix that. Now we're going to take the virtual segment delete key and delete this side. Now we need to repair this side, which isn't very hard. Just take your shape tool and click on it and get rid of these nodes. Try to get just the ones on the left. Get rid of these nodes, get rid of these nodes, get rid of these nodes, and then take these 2 nodes and right click and turn them into a line, and that's going to take out that loop. That time I'm going to get rid of these nodes. I'm going to try get rid of that node, and it worked. Get rid of that node. See, we want a curvature of that. We want something to curve. Let's look at the original. It's got a little bit of bump on top, so we're going to leave that bump on top. But I'm going to now, if you have X7 or above, you can use the smoothing tool. We'll set it on like 2 inches. And we're going to smooth out this part. Just kind of make it, you need to make sure it's clicked on, and then you can see your node. And I'm just going to kind of smooth that out a little bit. Get out some rough edges. Now, if you remember on the bottom, we weren't quite on the center, and it's got a little bit of dip. So we're going to take our shape tool, maybe get rid of that node, and then bring this down to a point and maybe curve it in like that, so we'll have that original peak right there. Now all I have to do is Control D and make a duplicate, holding down the Control key, move that over, take out this virtual segment delete key, and now we have a perfect symmetrical item. We're going to take the Smart Fill tool, as always, and fill that in, and then we're going to nudge that out of the way. We're going to get rid of all this. We're going to put P, put that in the center of the page. We're going to left click and right click in red. And there is our badge shape. And the reason I said earlier about grabbing it, you can see we're pretty close, we're pretty good. But this way, if I want to grab the badge, I might grab that. Well, I actually grab the outline. So instead of doing that, I want the outline to stay there. I can grab the badge with that handle. So stay tuned for part 2, and we'll put the eagle in and start drawing it. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.